Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Today we will be looking at how to safely mount and dismount a trailer. Begin by pulling forward the trailer towards the tow ball, lowering the jockey wheel until the socket fits snugly over the ball. Then remove the safety clip and fit the locking pin. It is now safe to lift the jockey wheel. After this, make sure to fit two 2-ton rated D shackles onto the mounts of the car. Then fit the appropriate 7-pin male plug into the female counterpart, before flicking through the trail and brake lights as well as both the left and right indicators. To lower the ramp, unhitch the locking mechanism and proceed to lower the hoist. Begin to safely load your machinery. Then simply raise the trailer ramp, re-securing the locking pin, and you are ready to begin towing. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.